Sam, I'd like you to think of a word, any short word. Just say the word in your mind. Repeat it over and over again.
Okay.
Sam, seryoso, ginagawa mo to.
Ginagawa ko.
Okay. Ano yung word na iniisip mo?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Boom,
Come on. No way.
Getting L or U, parang ganun.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
What?
Okay.
I got the word.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was insane.
Nag-draw ka ng parang mga lines, no?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Sige, continue. Oh. Good.
Yeah.
Paano mo nagawa to? Sobrang galing. Talo niya si David Blaine.
Filipino brain.
Isn't it? Wow. We need
Wait.
search. You know, I want your job. No.
Well, congratulations. Thank you for taking part.
That's fine.